Thomas, where do you think the trucks have gone? I don't know, but we gotta find it. We gotta interrogate. We gotta call in everyone. I'll get the best investigator I know. Get the best person. Hey, can I investigate with you? Sure. Why you fat. You fat. Fuck. No, I am not fucking fat. I am thick. Alright, we already made that joke of this episode. So if you want to help us find people who would know, who would have an alibi. I was trying to do things right and get everyone on the tracks after you idiots knocked all of us off for no reason. I was texting, I was Skyping with my friends from the other railway. I was busy not caring. So, why am I here again? We have to find out who stole the trucks. Oh. Sure, but did you kidnap the mayor's son? We're looking for all the trucks. Oh. Yeah. Did you steal the mayor's son? Where's the deed to the cause? Yeah, we're looking for the trucks after when we went, as we got tacos because we were bored and hungry. I'm here to be green and to scream. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm busy with my hobbies. We got him now, Thomas. I wouldn't ask him that. What are your hobbies?
Well, I guess my hobbies include dragging people away so they can play my lame board games with me. You know, the usual stuff.
Oh!
I thought it was something else.
That's
Board
what
games
it
are
is.
fun.
Let's go play one right now!
You know what, Percy? Why don't you go with them? It might be fun for you. But Thomas, we were supposed to play Parcheesi together after we were done. We'll go play with Stepney. Yeah, that's right. Go. Bye-bye. Shoo. Bye-bye. So, where do you play games? Is it like a little house, a shed?
So it wasn't them. Bringing Molly. It wasn't me. I was busy playing Tetris. This story checks out, but it's just playing a video game. Tetris is his fucking life, you little shit. Tetris is my fucking life, you little shit. Okay, you're in the clear. Was it you, Alfie? Bill and Ben, you two are up to your old tricks, aren't you? Well, no! We're not up to any tricks! We didn't murder anyone and...
We didn't bury... We didn't shoot anyone in the 12 gates and bury their body as an entrance of Boulder Quarry.
What are you talking about? I'm talking about trucks. Where are they? Oh, we don't know where they are. What were you doing? Blowing up a mine. Just story checked out.
Damn!
I was getting Henrietta to safety. So, do you know where she is? Nope.
Damn!
Elizabeth, what were you doing? Nothing. Good, because that's what she usually does. Alfie, it was you, wasn't it? It was Palpatine. Yo. Dennis. And yo, I was trying to text. Wait. Oh, I see we got another one. No! I'll take this one too. We got a whole party of it. I got a whole party. Great. After him! Beat him to a bloody pump so he's unrecognizable. Kill dudes, unrecognizable. Alright, let's get it. I got him. Can you do a bit quieter?
Damn!
It's you! Are you the one doing? So if it wasn't him, then who was it? It was me! I have all the trucks over here. I have all the trucks, and because no one would keep me serious, and
Damn!
me. This isn't for you. No! I'm dead now. So that's the story on how we saved the trucks. The end. Today's such a nice day. The birds are chirping, sun shining, and I got my job done. So peaceful. Oh, is that Duck? Could be. I think he's the only one that's green aside from Oliver, but he's more square than Oliver. Maybe it is.
Oh, hello,
Hello,
Neville.
Neville.
How are things doing on the branch line?
Anything weird going on? Any problems? Think maybe I should come over there and give a hand or something? With, Thomas can be a bit crazy or whatever?
Yeah, something crazy happened recently. Like, all the trucks were gone, and then Thomas and the others started to interrogate who did it. I think a few of them died, but they got better. I think something happened, but Elizabeth was the one who took them all. Isn't that funny?
Beg pardon, Devil, but that does seem a good way to run a branch line. Maybe I should help you guys out one of these days. Come on. Won't hurt anything. Yeah, I think it might. Thomas might see you as encroaching on his territory and drive you out with violent force and much prejudice. He already hates Percy being there.
Oh, Neville, I've been all around here longer than you have. I think I can handle Thomas just fine.
What? Oh, sorry. I kind of spaced out there for a bit. What were you saying? Oh, anyway, I gotta go. Bye. Jeez. I guess it's up for this little duck to save the day. Alright, so I've explained the rules 5 times already. Are we ready to play now? Yes. Could you explain it to me again?
Oh, man, Percy, you stupid idiot.
Fine, we'll explain it to you again. Guys! You guys! Could I play? We're playing Parcheesi. There's only room for 4 people. Nonsense! I can play the board. Alright, join in. Hooray!